From my experience, when it comes to the relationship between gear and value, I always say you need to learn to use what you have, because you don't always have the liberty to, quickly be like, oh, we need a better microphone and the money is here, go buy your better microphone. I think what tends to happen is that people walk in with the attitude that the gear is what's going to make this event perfect. And I feel it's inaccurate. It's definitely a misconception, because you can have the best gear in the world, but if you don't understand the process, of how everything works together, then you're really not achieving much. So for me, what I would say is what has helped me is basically walking in with the attitude of, this is what I have. What can I do to use it to the best of my ability?